Hi guys, I'm Eric Bishop, the Technical Manager for Automotive Art, and today we're going to be talking about 2080 Basecoat Blender. Basecoat Blender is the ultimate solution for blending colors into surrounding areas, spot repairs. It's low VOC and it comes ready for use. So now I want you to join me in the spray booth. I'm going to show you how to spray this product, and then I'm going to show you a couple of different techniques that we can use this product with. Now I have my panel covered with Basecoat. I put a masking paper here so I don't get any overspray on my next panel where I'm going to do the blend. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray some 2080, which is our Basecoat blender, into this panel, and then I'm going to grab my other gun with the color and I'm going to blend my color into the Basecoat blender. So that way, you know, the metallics landing on the panel are not going to be landing on a surface that is dry. It's just going to be landing over the wet bed, which we're going to make with our 2080 Basecoat blender. The first time we used the wet on wet technique. So now for harder to blend colors, what I do is I mix my 2080 1-to-1 with my ready to spray paint, and I put it in the same cup. So that way, you know, if I still have an edge or I have some metallics laying out or laying up, what I do is I finish up my color right here with this mixture. It's a more transparent color, but it's gonna help me out, you know, during the blend. Thanks again for watching. You can always log into automotiveartpaints.com, and you can also contact our local rep to get more information about 2080 Basecoat blender. Thank you.